Do I need earthquake insurance? If you're wondering whether you need earthquake insurance, you're not alone. Many people living in areas prone to earthquakes are unsure if this extra coverage is necessary. Let's break it down to help you make an informed decision. First, it's important to know that standard homeowners and renters insurance policies do not cover earthquake damage. This means if an earthquake hits and your home or belongings are damaged, you won't be covered unless you have a separate earthquake insurance policy. Earthquake insurance is particularly important if you live in areas known for seismic activity, such as California, Alaska, Oregon, and Washington. These states have a higher risk of earthquakes, and having this insurance can protect you from significant financial losses. So what does earthquake insurance cover? It generally includes three main types of coverage: dwelling coverage, personal property coverage, and additional living expenses. Dwelling coverage protects the structure of your home, including any attached structures like garages or decks. This coverage limit should match or exceed the limit on your regular homeowner's policy, which is typically the amount it would take to rebuild your home to its previous standard. Personal property coverage protects your belongings, such as furniture, appliances, and electronics. It's a good idea to create an itemized list of your possessions and their value to determine how much coverage you need. Additional living expenses or loss of use coverage helps with temporary living costs if your home is uninhabitable after an earthquake. This can include rent for a temporary home, restaurant meals, and other necessary expenses while your home is being repaired. Earthquake insurance also covers damage from aftershocks that occur within 24 to 72 hours after the initial earthquake. The cost of earthquake insurance varies widely depending on several factors, including your home's location, building materials, age, and foundation type. For example, homes in high-risk areas or those with older foundations might be more expensive to insure. Deductibles for earthquake insurance can range from 5% to 25% of your home's replacement cost. This means if your home is worth $500,000 and you have a 10% deductible, you'd need to pay $50,000 out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. To determine if you need earthquake insurance, consider the risk in your area. The U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, and the California Earthquake Authority, CEA, provide risk analyses that can help you assess the necessity of this coverage. If you live in an area with low seismic activity, the added cost of earthquake insurance might not be worth it. However, if you're in a high-risk area, having this insurance can be a lifesaver, protecting you from the potentially huge costs of repairing or rebuilding your home after an earthquake. In summary, if you live in an earthquake-prone area, earthquake insurance is definitely something to consider. It can provide financial protection and peace of mind, helping you avoid significant financial losses in the event of an earthquake. Always consult with your insurance agent to see if it makes sense for your specific situation.